All vowel phonemes used in English from R to A. Here we have to learn the name of the phoneme this the symbol used to represent it. It is a long phoneme. This symbol represents the phoneme A. The name of this phoneme is A. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. At the initial position of the syllable, A, A, Im, A, Im, A. A, it, A, it, art. A is ik, A is ik, ask. At the middle position of the syllable, B, A, A, D, if, A, it, what. C, A, A, D, it, A, ka, it, thought. D, A, A, K, it, A, da, ik, dog. F, A, F, A, A, im, if, A, im, form. H, A, H, A, A, im, if, A, ha, im, ha. H, E, A, A, T, ik, A, ha, it, heart. L, A, A, D, il, A, la, id, lot. L, A, U, G, H, il, A, la, if, law. P, A, A, K, if, A, pa, ik, pa. At the end position of the syllable, B, A, R, if, A, ba. C, A, R, if, A, ka. F, A, R, if, A, fa. J, A, R, which, A, ja. M, A, R, im, A, ma. If, A, R, if, A, pa. T, A, R, if, A, ta. L, A, U, G, H, il, A, la, if, laugh. P, A, R, K, if, A, if, cock. Generally, A, R combinedly represent this phoneme.